Alright. If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering on how to make an overhead camera rig so you can film from above to the table over here. It's pretty simple. I've made something and I'm going to show you how I did it. So I made this contraption, as you can see. So over here you have a bike rack. So this is actually a bike thing where you put your bike wheel in. And that's mounted to my ceiling with some bolts over there. And then I have the Joby Gorillapod SLR-Zoom just bent around that. And then I can just put my camera on there. And I have the perfect view from above. I also mounted what's that called? That light over there with some things. I'm going to get a little closer so you can see that. Over there, as you can see. So that's the bike rack mounted to the ceiling. Then the Gorillapod over here. Pretty sturdy. And then this one is also mounted with some brackets and stuff. And yeah, it's a little bit mushy and it's all mounted together and stuff. And I won't ever get it off probably, but yeah, it works for me. As you can see, I'm going to try and do this with one hand right now. The camera is over there, the banana is over there. And now I zoom in completely to the point that the banana is still in the frame. You can see over there. Then I do a manual focus. Like that, and I hit the record button, and right now you have that beautiful view from the top, as you can see, by doing this. Maybe you're wondering how much did all those things cost. Well, not a lot of money. A bike rack like that costs around, I think, $10. The Joby Gorillapod costs a bit more, but maybe you can change that up and work with a bolt or something and mount your camera like that. It will be sturdier probably. But problem is my ceiling is just a plate, so it's not it's a very thin ceiling. So if I mount something, it falls out directly. So I had to screw the bolts from the top down below with a washer, or what's it called, so they don't fall down. And that way it worked. So as you can see, I now have my overhead camera rig, and that works perfectly. It's straight down, horizontal, and very nice. I just wanted to share this tip with you, so you know how to do it, because all those other things, they are like building with sticks and stuff, and I'm not really handy, so it's not really for me. Alright, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, leave a like down below and maybe subscribe for more content, and see ya!